Alright. Hey everyone, we are opening up some One Piece for today. So, here, we have, this one's for Gabby, 16. I'm gonna open 17. And then 18. Alright, and then we have EB02 and OP09. We just got those from Japantown yesterday, but from the drop on Friday, EB02's release, we're just gonna keep those sealed. This is our first ever recording of One Piece. So far, we've opened 20 EB02 packs. What else have we opened? Some OP10 tins. We've also opened some DP09. We've opened 3 of the DP09. I think that's about it for now. These were our pulls from the EB02. We got the Secret Rare SEC Monkey D. Luffy, the Alternate Art Super Rare Vivi. We got the Trafalgar Law Super Rare, Jewelry Bonnie Super Rare, Vegapunk Super Rare, NL Super Rare. I think this is the Chopper Chopper Rare Alternate Art, and some Leader Luffy cards. And then the rest were just rares. We got a bunch of rares of everything. Yeah, literally so many duplicates. We have so many commons and uncommons. A lot of bulk. But yeah, we got a good amount of rares. Super rares. I'd say pretty good for 20 EB02 packs. So, alright. We also got these sleeves that we'll be using for today. The left is mine, the right is Gabby's. Okay. Ooh, this is cool. PRB01 pack. This is so expensive to get right now. This is actually really neat. This is our first time opening any starter deck. Go ahead, look, if you want to pop it open. She's afraid to talk, guys.
Okay, everyone. I'm gonna open this deck.
Also, this is how you play, for anyone wondering. That's kind of how it goes. Cool, I'll learn this to play.
Okay, so.
Ooh, the Uta is so nice. So that's a leader card.
Ooh.
Uta. Oh wow. Super rare shades. And then now I think it's just the common to uncommon. So you can kind of just like you could just shuffle them like that. Charlotte Katakuri. Ooh, Monkey D. Luffy. Backlight. Yeah, I just started watching the anime. I'm only on like episode 64. They just made friends with Laboon and are setting out to enter the Grand Line. Well, they're in the Grand Line, but they just finished with Laboon and they're setting out their adventure. So this is pretty cool. It started, it comes with a lot of stuff actually. I didn't know it comes with the PRB01 pack. That's crazy. Bartholomew.
No Bartholomew.
Lullaby.
Jelly cat.
Where the wind blows.
She's gonna go like this.
Yeah, you could just. Yeah, that's fine. The world's connection. Or the world's continuation.
We have trouble reading.
Top Musica.
So cool. Ooh.
Monkey D. Luffy. That one's pretty cool. guess that's a leader. Oh no, not a leader, promo maybe. And
Yeah.
these are all the Dawn cards. Okay, cool. Yeah, that was starter deck 17, and now let's open that was starter deck 16. We're gonna open up 17 now. All right, now we're opening up. Ooh, we caught that. That's for the free ST17. I'm gonna open this one. I didn't know ST16 comes with the PRBO 1 pack. So maybe, oh, I guess they all come with it. Dang. Yeah, they all come with the PRBO 1 pack. Well, I did not know that. So this was his Don Quick Saute Doflamingo. Let's just call him Doflamingo. Sorry guys, she's camera shy. You could talk regular. Let's pretend there's no recording.
Who are you talking to? Hey guys.
I'm talking to my channel. Guys, I'm a big Pokemon collector, investor, and I just started One Piece because things have been getting crazy for Pokemon, and I'm loving it so far. It's been really good. Good change of pace for sure. Alright, so here's another playmat again, and this is what we're looking at. So, another PRBO 1 pack. Awesome. And then, okay, Doflamingo. Okay, so the Doflamingo, super rare Trafalgar Law. Those ones are nice. Whoa, Boa Hancock. What is this called, love? What kind of card is it?
Ultra rare.
No.
Oh.
It's her favorite.
Waifu.
Waifu cards. She loves that. She loves waifu cards and
Husbando cards.
and husbando cards. Marshall D. Teach. More Doflamingo. Overheat. Gecko Moria. Bartholomew Kuma. Yeah, guys, I actually just this morning, literally, I think about 30 minutes ago, I just sold an EBO2 and starter deck 17 to this guy, super close by. It was nice dude. But yeah, I just sold that to cover some of these costs. You know, it gets expensive, but okay, that's pretty much it for 17. Now let's open 18. All right, now starter deck 18. I know 17 and 18 have been pretty meta relevant right now. So let's see what we get. She's laughing at me. Why are you laughing at me? My speech impediment. Okay. Another PRBO 1 pack. Ooh, and the Luffy. Awesome. Okay. Let's pop this one open. Okay, let's see. The purple Luffy deck that everyone's talking about. Wow, look at this, love. Check it out. Monkey D. Luffy. Leader card. Ooh, Zoro Juroro. Luffy Toro. I heard that one's really good. And then, okay. Usohachi. Oh, Nami. Nice. Sangoro. I see a lot of people playing this purple deck. Usohachi again. Oh, Robbie. Jinbei. Another Zoro Juro. Chopa Emin. Franosuke. Onikichi. When you're at sea, you fight against pirates. Oh my god, this is fire. Check this one out. Monkey D. Luffy for Emperor Straw Hat Crew. Wow, that one's cool. And this one. Dang. Okay. Awesome. Alright, and that was ST18. Now let's get to our PRBO 1 packs and the booster boxes. Alright, finally, what we've all been waiting for. Let's open some packs. Okay, so we got 3 of the PRBO1 from the starter decks. Yeah, let's rip some. All right, love. I'm gonna go first. Okay, I'll go first. My first time opening any PRBO1. Let's see how it goes. I do have one sealed booster box of PRBO1 and OPO5 just sitting in my cabinets. So I'm not gonna open those. So this is my first one. All right, let's see if we get lucky. So we have Queen, Narikarbura Arrow, Dellinger, Elthor, Miss Doublefinger. Ooh, a rare Rayuma. Okay, look at that, love. That's pretty cool. Ooh, okay. Rare Eustace Captain Kidd. Oh, super rare. Okay, nice. Super rare. And ooh, that one's just an uncommon, but it looks pretty cool. Another uncommon. All right. Okay, that was pretty cool. And then we got a Dawn card. Nice, nice. All right. So we can put the uncommons with the commons. And then, so we got rare and super rare over here. And then our Dawn card. Okay. You're next, love. Let's see what she gets. That's not too bad. I'll grab some penny sleeves. We're running out of the regular sleeves. I'll just use mine. Yeah, we could just use mine, love. You could save your those sleeves.
This is hard to open.
I know, right? There's no like slit like the other ones.
There is right here.
Oh.
Should I do it?
Yeah, go for it. It is kind of hard.
But then how do you?
I have no clue. It's challenging. Yeah, we're on the bed right now, everyone, so our cards are kind of tilty.
It's like
Here, I could just move the bulk up here. Yeah, I'll just move the bulk up here. Okay.
Vinsmoke Yanji.
Nice.
Dellinger. Blast Breath.
Nice.
Miss Doublefinger.
You could speak up.
Amano. Murakuma. Rayuma.
Ooh, Dracula Mihawk super rare. Nice. So you could put that in the super rare pile. Ooh, okay, that's just a common.
Ooh.
Oh, a rare. 200 million volts Amaru.
Yeah.
Nice. All right,
I
cool.
want to use some else.
Oh, yeah, sure.
We can buy more.
Wow. All right, next pack.
LPN.
You want to sleeve the Dracula Mihawk?
Yep.
This is a rare, so you could put it with the rares.
Oh,
Like
sorry.
RR and then SR. PRB1, not too bad, not too bad. Guard Point. Vinsmoke Niji. Victoria Sindri. Nico Robin. Elthor. Kozuki Momonosuke, rare. Oh, super rare. Wow. Kozuki Hiyori. Well, that's a nice looking card. Wow, that's dope. And then a common Vinsmoke Gigi. Oh, Monkey D. Luffy. Is this a... Oh, nice. It says P, so I guess maybe promo or something? That's cool. Nice. Let's leave this one up. Wow, that's a nice one. Yeah. Okay, so pretty good start, I would say. For the PRBO1 rares, I don't know what this P is, promo. And then super rares. We got 3 super rares from 3 packs. Wow, awesome. Okay.